Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here today. So I purchased this on Amazon. It is some kind of puzzle that makes a whole design, like a little house with flowers and bookcases and lights. So I don't exactly know what it's going to be, but I thought we could maybe look at it together. So let's open it up and see. I've made little doll houses before where they come in little kits and you put them together, and they're actually a lot of fun. But I have never, oh my goodness, done this particular one, and I thought, let's see what it is. I'm really kind of, oh my goodness, I'm a little afraid. Okay, so this is the lights. Looks like it has quite a few of them, and maybe these are little flower lights. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's put this to the side, and these are all our pieces. Let's see where this opens. Back here. All right. I don't know. This is a lot of pieces. Well, all right, we're in it. I have no idea. So, this is the opening of it, and I guess you pop all of these out, and I don't know. It's a lot. Well, I'm speechless. Maybe my daughter will want to help me with this. It looked so cool online. Oh, see, yeah, it's coming. So here, let's pop out like a, maybe I should read the directions before I break it. So each of the, I don't know if you can see, they're, okay, and they're all numbered. Let's take a look at the, and then I think when it's finished, it can hang on the wall. Okay, so this is definitely a different, yeah, it's definitely, well, I don't know if you guys have any suggestions. All right, listen, I don't know, but here we are. We've opened it. That's all I can say right now. And I guess they have a lot of other ones. Maybe I should have started with a smaller one. Okay, well, so this is the beginning. I will keep you posted as I look through this and see how to even start it. I have no idea. Anyway, if any of you have ever done something like this or have any suggestions or tips, I would love to hear them. I really would. Anyway, you know what? I'm going to try to find the link for this, so in case you guys want to look at it just online, the video of it, it looks really cool. So maybe so you won't think I'm so crazy for getting it. But anyway, all right. Well, thanks for opening the box with me, and I apologize that I have no idea what anything is in here, but this is how we learn, right? Okay, it's a new craft to learn. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and you guys have a wonderful night and keep sparkling.